Meet Brazilian Skin. The innovative formula creates a thin veil of youth-restoring minerals to instantly eliminate the appearance of puffiness or sagging, crow's feet, and fine lines. Fast-acting active ingredients create a tighter look and feel within 60 seconds of application, while state-of-the-art minerals immediately lift and sculpt. Meanwhile, the powerful combination of stem cell antioxidants from acai and peptides help to improve long-term appearance. Simply apply a very small amount to clean skin with fingertips and smooth over wrinkles on forehead, around eyes, or any other areas. These clinically tested products naturally derived from the Amazon rainforest. Regain your confidence and youth naturally. Look younger in less than 5 minutes. Visit Brazilian Skin website and app to sign up for promos and more.